I'm here with Billy Monger, and you're going to be driving the F3 car up the hill.
Yeah.
Is it your first time here doing this?
First time driving, yeah. I've been here. I came here last year for a day with my friend, but yeah, most of it has been me driving up for the last couple of days.
Yeah, I've been obviously watching you learning the new car. How are you finding things in F3 now?
Doing okay, yeah, getting there. It's taking its time, but we're making progress now, so it's good.
Yeah, that's what we like to see. You know, it's obviously you've picked yourself up. You've been such an inspiration to everyone. It's probably quite surprising, isn't it, to you that how everyone reached out? And
yeah, it was. Like you say, when you're racing, you have support from your family, friends, and sponsors, but you never get the support from everyone else because you're competing against them. It's but to see everyone come together when I needed it was really cool, and I hope that we can do the same for other people that have similar stuff happen to them.
Yeah, excellent. Well, thanks for your time, Billy. Have fun. Is it a fun run, this one, or are you going to?
This is a fun run for the fans. It's getting busier and busier, so might see a few burnouts and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm just going to enjoy myself this one, and then might put a time in later, and you never know.
Excellent. Thanks, Billy.
6 and 7, the white smoke is back on, they're pulling back round towards us. But let's they're going to perform opposition barrel rolls.
I'm driving one of Emerson's old cars, the McLaren M23. Obviously a great opportunity to be here in Goodwood and drive such a legendary car. So yeah, looking forward to go up the hill.
Is it your first time here at Goodwood?
I've been a couple of times to Goodwood, but it's been a while since I've been here. I see there's been a lot of evolution, a lot of new stuff is happening, a lot of cool cars or riders. So yeah, it's great to be back here.
Excellent. Well, I'll let you go and get ready for going uphill. Good luck. Right, cheers.
The one car was officially limited to 2 less than 6.